The latte makeup trend. It can either be the best thing that happened to a brown skin girl or the worst. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize this latte makeup for a brown skin. Starting off with orange color correction and then moving on to the foundation, I'm using the regular old Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm using the Beauty Blender by Prosh makeup to blend in the foundation. Next, I'm taking a little bit of this LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation. This is a little brownish. I'm just adding a little color to my foundation. Then I'm moving on to the eye makeup. I'm taking the Swiss BeautyCheek-a-boo palette and using the contour shade for the brown base makeup for my eyes. Then I'm taking the Makeup Revolution's Forever Flawless palette. I'm using the shade Nymph to pack it on my crease. It is a brownish maroon shade. And then I'm using the highlighter from the Cheek-a-boo palette and adding a little bit of that on my lids. Moving on with a black eyeliner. I know brown eyeliners are the thing with latte makeup, but then brown on brown looks really dull on a brown skin. Trust me guys, I have tried it. And then I'm setting my brows with the Benefit Brow Mascara. Again going with the contour from the Cheek-a-boo palette and just adding a little bit of shade to my skin. And then I'm using the blush from the same palette and adding colors to my cheek. I'm finishing up the makeup look with Maybelline's Super Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Seeker. And then I'm setting the makeup with MAC Fix Plus Setting Spray. And there's the completed makeup look. This is just my take on the viral latte makeup look. Using a lot of browns on a brown skin tone may seem counterproductive, but it can look really good, guys. I really loved how this makeup turned out. What do you think? And subscribe for more.